Rightio, it's pack up day here, Lake Dalrymple. Been a beautiful spot. Spent 2 nights here just relaxing, doing pretty much nothing. How was it? Was it good?
Yeah, peaceful, very peaceful.
Very peaceful.
Yeah.
But anywho, we're off to Charters Towers, somewhere around there. I'm just going to be doing the same, checking out whatever we can find on the way, and hopefully find some good stuff. Hopefully get some red claw as well. We've got to pack all this up and then we'll grab the red claw pot on the way out, which fingers crossed it'll be full. But let's pack up, get out of here, hit the road. We've had power as well, so we had the batteries fully charged. I think they're reconditioned or something as well, so I don't know what they've done, but they're fully charged, filled up with water. I don't know what else we can ask for here. It's been a bloody good spot. Quiet, peaceful spot. We good? We packing up?
Yep.
Let's go. Well, that's us all done. Do our final little checks here, make sure we haven't left anything behind. Say goodbye to the peas and the peacock. Well, that's us. Let's get out of here, make a move. It's been bloody good, this spot. We'll go check this red claw pot before I forget about it and leave it behind. Hopefully she's fully stocked. Oh, none. Zero, big zero. Spewing. Oh well, we got that one. That'll do us. Little entree tonight, but that's a bit devastating, that. Anyway, we'll get out of here, keep on moving. Bit of fun. So we've stopped in here at a little place called Macrossan Park, which is a free camping area about 20 k's out of Charters Towers, and we sort of don't know if we're going to stay here or not. We're still undecided. You can hear some frogs going off in there. Bins, toilets, tables, barbecues, a little fire pit, sorry, and a river down there, but it doesn't look like there's any water in it. A couple of train tracks over there, so yeah, we're still undecided whether we're going to stay here or not. We've got to get a video up, so we need some signal, so we'll see how we go. But we're going to head into Charters Towers, have a look around, we'll get a cuppa and just have a meal about for the rest of the day. But unfortunately there's nothing really to see on the way here, on the road from the dam, Burdekin Dam, so here's what it is. But we'll get into Charters Towers, have a look around. All right, we've come to a verdict. We're gonna stay here. We're gonna leave the van on though, aren't we? We're gonna go do some shopping and then come back out here. We've got a little bit of 5G, so.
I don't know how. He's got 3G, I've got 5G. How does that even make sense?
So we'll try and make it work signal-wise, but it's a good little spot. It's a bit weird, I don't know if you can see over there. There's 2 different train lines, train bridges. One's been decommissioned and one hasn't. There's no real information on that, so I guess I'll try and have a little search around, find out some more about that. But we'll get into Charters Towers, do a little bit of food shopping for Christmas.
Mince pies.
And then we'll get back out here and hopefully no one's pinched our little spot. Hopefully, fingers crossed.
Oh, there's loads down the road, so.
Yeah, it's a huge area, this one, so I don't know how many people I can fit in here, but there seems to be about 20 odd people in here now, and you could probably fit another 30, 40. Easy. Righto, let's do some shopping. So Sosha's going to check out the toilets and showers. Hopefully they're alright. But you can have a fire here, so I'll try and get a fire on tonight. It'll be pretty good. Haven't had a fire in a while. What's it like?
Yeah, alright. Dated, but there's 2 showers and
So showers as well.
3 toilets.
Pretty good. And it's there's a donation box there as well, so it must be not free, or it's free but donations accepted, so that's pretty good. So we've spent the afternoon really here at Charters Towers, looking around, stocking up on gear for Christmas, just getting ready really, avoiding the Christmas rush. But we've come down here to Weir Park, is it?
Yeah.
Charters Towers Weir Park. Just to have a little look, because this river here feeds, as it's flowing that way, feeds into Burdekin Dam, Lake Dalrymple, where we just were, which is pretty incredible. So there's no swimming here, which is a bit of a bugger. It would have been bloody nice. It's still 36, 37 degrees we saw in the car. They've got a little bit of history here. Block of concrete cut from the original 1902 weir during the raising work in 1995. But nothing sort of special around. Nice big beautiful park. It's well kept. A couple of little fireplaces you can cook up a barbecue. Tables, toilets, that's about it really. I was expecting a bit more, but it is what it is. It's not really that marked, that well marked. But anywho, that's going to do us for here. We'll keep on trucking, head back to camp, set up, try and get a fire on. Also, driving through Charters Towers, it's almost like going back in time a little bit. The buildings and the main drag there are just
very old.
Yeah, really old, well preserved. Looks like they've just sort of chucked new shops in there and painted over the top of everything. But it's really nice to see a bustling sort of main street. We've lost
USB charger.
So yeah, Charters Towers, beautiful main street, really, really well kept. But we just didn't really get to see that much, as we're in a rush getting ready for Christmas, same as everyone else. So yeah, Charters Towers, I think we might have to come back to. We'll see how we go. But let's hit the road, get out of here, set up camp.
Let's go.
Well, here we are, we've got our spot. A little bit breezy, but is what it is. Hopefully the awning will be all right. And we've got a little fireplace here. We've got this little one, and I believe these are a fireplace. Hope they are. Well, that's where I'm going to have my fire. We've got a bit of wood, so should be good. Should be a good night. Relaxed night, really. It's still bloody hot, but that breeze is sort of taking the edge off everything. But a good little spot here, just out of town, pre-camp. We're booked into the Mercure for 4 nights over Christmas. Another little getaway away from the van, so can't wait for this one. Got a bit of space, nice hotel room, air conditioning in this heat. So hopefully it's going to be a bloody good Christmas. We've got a couple of things booked in, so should be good. But we're starting it by dumping the caravan, locked it all up. Happy days. Come up to Castle Hill. Someone had a good idea, didn't they?
What do you mean?
So she was saying if we come up to Castle Hill, we can potentially see all the different houses with the Christmas lights on.
Can't see any.
So I don't think we're going to see many fairy lights from up here, but it's still a ripper view at night time. We missed the sunset. It's a bit of a bugger. I think we're about 10 minutes late, but still bloody awesome spot up here at night time. Stunning views. So we've just had a nice dinner, lovely dinner, nice curry. And we did hear on the radio on the way in today that there's a Triple M Great Northern Lights tour.
It's like circuit.
But it's got a load of different streets that you can sort of drive around and check out all these Christmas lights. So someone's excited for that. But just look at that. There's a fair few different streets there to get through, so I don't know how much of this will make it to the video, but we'll get down some of the streets. We've already been past 1 or 2 of the streets and they're bloody
Yeah, they look insane, don't they?
top notch.
Yeah.
So we'll get into this, cruise around, have a look around.
That is insane. Oh my god.
Yeah. All.
How you doing?
Well, we haven't really filmed that much at all, to be honest, over Christmas. Filmed a bit. We'll try and get a video together, but it's just been a bit of time off. Bit of time for ourselves, really. But today's lunch.
Quickly as well.
You excited for today's lunch?
Yes.
Which is pretty much an all-you-can-eat buffet. 125 each.
Yeah.
It's going to be bloody good. We'll try and get some clips of that because we're bloody excited for this. Fresh seafood. Lots of meat, just loads of everything really. Probably put on a couple of kilos here. So.
I won't be.
But it's going to be good.
Happy Boxing Day, guys.
Righto, this is probably going to do us for this video. I know it was a bit of a different video, but it's sort of our take on what we did over Christmas. Yeah.
Yep.
I hope everyone had a bloody awesome day. Big Merry Christmas to all our viewers, bloody legends. We managed to get some upgrades to the GoPro, so hopefully the audio is going to be a lot better, thanks to someone.
Yep, you'll have to let us know how it is, obviously not now because it's not windy, but when we're in the wind, yeah, let us know how it is. And
someone got a little blender as well, so someone's going to be making cocktails for us.
Maybe.
But overall, we had a bloody awesome Christmas. Bit of time off as well, and probably not going to post another video until
it's Sunday.
Sunday. It's probably going to skip Tuesday. We'll be back Friday for our next one.
Which isn't the New Year. It's New Year's Eve Friday.
Oh, so it's going to be New Year's Eve. But I guess we'll see you there.
Yeah.
See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate your
appreciate the year that you've given us.
Support.
It's been a bloody good one. Next year's going to be even bigger. So stay tuned.
Fingers crossed.
It will. It will. Stay tuned, guys. Cheers.
Bye.
And also, we're looking at doing a little video on just the equipment we use, because we've had a couple of questions about what sort of gear we use for filming, editing and all that. So if you're interested in that, leave a comment or something below, and we'll hopefully try and make a video on that, all the gear sort of side of things. But anyway, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, bloody legends.
All the gear and no idea. Good.
Same as everyone else. So yeah, Charters Towers, I think we might have to come back to. We'll see how we go.
Cheers.